empathic when empathic feelings, how can you tell whose feelings you are feeling? Yeah, that's a great question. And that's all part of the practice. And that's why I even distinguish it in the first place. Um, in the second day of my 7-day challenge, I distinguish, is it your energy or is it not your energy? And the reason why I distinguish it is because at first it just feels like one big old blob, right? It's like, oh, I just thought it was just me, right? But the practice, Cynthia, is when you can get more familiar with your own energy, right? What really is truly your own authentic energy. Then when it's not your energy, you're like, oh, wait, okay, that's just not my energy because I know what my energy is. And a good clue to know it's actually your energy is it feels good. Okay. Simply put, it feels good. When it's your energy, it feels good. Okay. Whereas when it's not your energy, right, then if it's like putting the wrong gasoline in your car. If you're supposed to have super unleaded and you put diesel in your car, how's that going to feel? Right. So it's the same thing. So the practice, Cynthia, is the more you practice getting to know your own energy, then when other foreign energies come your way, you're like, oh wait, that's not my energy because it doesn't feel good. That's definitely not my energy. All right.